We're going to talk about these set screws now, remember? Okay, these two set screws I want to tighten up. Okay, Mr. Mark, go ahead and set my camera back up, because you're not going to be able to see these set screws from down there. But I'm going to loosen those up first. Okay, now see how this wobbles like this. You getting that? Okay, we don't want it to wobble, but we want it to go as straight as possible down to the floor. So I'm going to have to look at it. I know it's not going to be like that. I know it's not going to be like that. I know it's going to need to be about straight down. So I take the screws and I'm going to start one screw one way and another screw the other way to get a little bit of it set. You put one set screw in too far, you could kind of push that a little bit. Okay, so now, oh, see there? It twisted on me just a little bit, just by getting ready to tighten that up. Okay. So once I'm tightening this is twisting, so that tells me I need to tighten this one over here first. Yeah, I'm going to get that a little bit tighter. Now I'm going to come back over to that screw. Boy, maybe it's, I might be looking at it wrong. Go right there. And this set screw has a slot for Phillips and for standard. Okay, so once you, for the screwdriver, once I do it with the Phillips, I like to get my standard in there and crank it down just a bit more, because I can get it just a hair tighter. See there? I got, 1/16 of a turn, and that could be all I need to keep this from wobbling later on. Okay, now I got that. Okay, you don't want to take a wrench and crank down on that and try to get it any tighter, because you do that, you could strip the head off, or you could twist the screw right off. I've seen it happen before. Okay, so now here's my little housing here. Put that cap back on there. Voila, it's sitting here. It's supposed to be wobbling like that because it's in where that pocket is. That's how these work. Okay, now we're all set with that. We can put all the ceiling fan blades on now. And we're going to look at this, and we're just going to put them back up. All right?
I'm going to turn it off. Okay.
Yep. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.